We will discuss about endocrine system. There are many types of systems in our body. Such a system in our body, endocrine system. Endocrine system is such a system which produce a chemical substances called hormones. A group of glands which secretes various type of hormones is called endocrine system, and the endocrine system is two types. Endocrinology or exocrinology. Endocrine system is a ductless system and exocrine system is with duct system. There are 10 types of glands found in our body from head to abdomen. One gland is a pineal gland which is found in vestigial form. There is no function of pineal gland in our body. So we discuss about 9 glands, their situation and function. Number 1, hypothalamus gland. Hypothalamus gland found in the upper part of brain, and it is a master gland which controls the function of pituitary gland. Now the pituitary gland, second is, it is also found in lower part of the brain, and it is called inhibitory gland or exhibitory gland. Now third gland, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland found attached to the windpipe or trachea. The function of thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone, and thyroxine hormone controls the metabolism of fat, protein and carbohydrate. Next gland is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are in number of 4. They are embedded in the thyroid gland. Their function: the parathyroid glands secrete the parathormones which controls the phosphate and carbohydrate level in our body. Next gland is thymus gland. Thymus gland is found upper part of the chest, and it secretes thymus hormones which develop our immunity system. By immunity system we fight our against our pathogenic microorganism. Next gland is pancreas. Pancreas gland is found upper part of the abdomen, and it secretes 2 types of hormones. Insulin hormone, and the second hormone is pancreatic hormone. Pancreatic hormones is useful in our digestive system, but insulin hormone cooperate in our maintaining the sugar level in our blood circulatory system. This pancreas is also endocrine gland and also exocrine gland. It is both type of gland, because when the pancreas release insulin, the insulin mixed with blood circulatory system and acts to the target organ. And the second, when it release digestive enzyme, digestive enzyme has 3 types of enzymes: lipase, pepsin and trypsin, which regulate the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat respectively. Next, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland found upper part of the each kidney. It secretes the adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone control the rate of heartbeat and rate of breathing when the man fell in danger, anger, or any emotional condition. The next gland is testis. Testis is also endocrine gland and exocrine gland because it secretes sperms with the help of duct, so it is called exocrine gland, and it also secretes a hormone called testosterone. Testosterone hormones is secreted by the testes, and testosterone hormones is directly responsible for the secondary sexual character of boys at the teenage. Next gland is ovary. Ovary is found in female. It is also called endocrine and exocrine gland. It secretes two types of hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is also responsible for the secondary sexual character in girls.